Move over, Top Gun. Make way for the J-15 fighter pilots swooping off the deck of the gleaming Liaoning aircraft carrier. Well, this as Tibetan singer Rongjong Erjia belts out the specially commissioned song, Lead the Dream. Now, this 6-minute propaganda video was made by the state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation of China. Well, that's the company responsible for refitting the Soviet-era aircraft carrier for the Chinese PLA Navy, which, by the way, the Chinese bought from the Ukraine in 1998. Enjoy this clip from that video.